Good morning, friends. Today myself Bhagirath present here with a new chemistry topic, formal charge on intermediate molecules or ions. Now start formal charge. Formal charge. Okay, what is the formal charge? Formal charge is the charge present on a atom in a particular molecule is or ion is known as formal charge. Formal charge is a charge is a is present on a atom in a molecule is known as formal charge. Now, how we can calculate the formal charge on a atom present in a molecules? So we can use a formula. Formal charge equals to number of valence electrons in a isolated atom minus number of valence electrons unsaid plus number of bonds. Now we can well understand this formal charge with an example of hydronium. Example H3O plus. Lewis structure of H3O plus is O, then H, double bond, single bond, one H and single bond, one H. This is one pair of electron. This is unsaid electron. One pair of unsaid electrons, and these are three sigma bonds in this particular molecule, and total charge on this molecule is plus 1. Now we can calculate the formal charge on isolated atom. We can rewrite this formula, number of valence electrons. First of all we discuss about the electronic configuration of oxygen atom. Atomic number of oxygen is 8 and electronic configuration in format of K and M is K in orbital in number of electrons in K is 2 and L is 6. Now this 2 is represented by helium, which is a neutral gas, and 6 is known as valence electron. So we can calculate the number of formal charge on oxygen atom. आइसोलेटेड एटम यहाँ पर हमारा स्पेशल हो जाएगा ऑक्सीजन. तो ऑक्सीजन पर हमें आइसोलेटेड फॉर्मल चार्ज निकालना है, तो क्या हो जाएगा इसमें नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन फॉर्मल चार्ज क्या हो जाएगा? फॉर्मल चार्ज इक्वल्स टू 6 माइनस अनसाइड नंबर ऑफ अनसाइड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितने होंगे भाई? 2 एंड नंबर ऑफ बॉन्ड्स कितने हैं? +3. So total charge will be 6 minus 5 equals to plus 1. Net charge will be plus 1. Okay, thank you.